3 2 3 2 ja 6, nothing. This is called dividend. This is very important to know these things, dividend, and this is called divisor. This is quotient. QUOTIENT, quotient. And if there is remainders except nothing, then this is called remainder. Okay, so we can write this statement: dividend equal to quotient into divisor. That means this and this will be multiplied and remainder will be added. So here we are going to learn the property of division. Property of division. Number one is, if 0 is divided by any number, say 4, the result is 0. Okay, that means if you are dividing 0 by 569, result is 0, right? The second property is that if you divide any number 246, say here, by 1, then you will get the number 246, this one directly. Here, property number 3, if I divide any number, say 5 divided by 5, same number, we divide the 5 by the same number, we always get 1. That means 246 divided by 246 equal to 1. Okay, let us solve a 4-digit number division. That means in which the dividend is 4 digits: 1, 8, 7, 6. Now it is more important to know how to perform division. Suppose I want to divide this by 14. Then how will you know that how many times we read the table of 14 and what the number of the dividend we will take? Suppose here it is a 2 digit. First I will take 2 digit, and you notice that if this 2 digit number is greater or equal, if it is less than this divisor, then we again add 3 digit. But I am noticing here that 18 is more than 14, so division will go in this number. How many times? 14 1 ja 14. Okay, it is less. 14 2 ja 28. Now 28 is more than 18, so it will not go 2 times. That's why 14 1 ja 14. Okay, I will read the table of 14 until this number become equal or less, but never exceed this number which I have selected for division at this moment, right? So now again I am subtracting this one. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is nothing. Now this 4 is less than 14, so division will not go. So we take down 7, it become 47. Now we will read the table of 14 until the result becomes equal to 47 or less. Okay, so 14 3 ja 14 3 ja 42, 14 3 ja 42, and 14 4 ja it will be 56, which will be more than 47, so it will not go 4 times. So I have selected 3 times. 14 3 ja 42. 7 minus 2 is 5 and 4 minus 4 means nothing. Now again this become 5 less than 14 divisor. Now we take down 6 here. So 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 42, 14 4 ja 56, 14 4 ja 56. Exactly we got the same number. So I will again subtract here and I am getting nothing. So the division is complete. So answer is 143. Your answer is 134. That is the quotient is your answer. Or you can write quotient Q equal to 134 and R remainder equal to 0. Nothing means 0.